Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see right here we've got some options thanks to which we can customize the date and time, but as you can see currently we cannot tap on it. So first of all we have to turn off automatic date and time, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the network provided time which is currently set, and we've got the GPS provided time and off, so we have to tap on off. And as you can see right now we've got the date and time option is active, and the same situation with the time zone, just tap on the switcher. So now let's tap on the date, and as you can see from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. So for example this one, tap on OK and it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just pick the time you want to set from this clock and tap on OK. As you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar also. So here we've got the time zone, let's tap on it, tap on the region, and here we can we've got the full list of all available ones, so all we have to do is to simply find the one we would like to set. So let me pick, for example, I don't know, whatever, this one, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. But of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can customize the clock format, so currently we are using 24-hour format. If you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on both switchers and pick network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.